I think I found something back there and over there. Check it out. I think I can get through here. Back a little bit. Yeah, I see it right over there. See that there? And there's some more down on the left that's blocked by that. Let's go check it out. Alright, I made it through the gnarly part. Oh, there's so many vines in here. Let's see. Looks like there might be some here and here. This is, oh man, nice hidden chicken. Chicken 103. Oh, this is nice. Oh, dang. This is a load. This is going to be a load if we're still around next year. Check that out. Come down here. I probably go where you don't even see it. Yeah. That was here. This probably broke off. It was here. It was here. Yeah, it was attached here. Here. That's a nice one. Yeah. Oh. That's a really little bottle there. Something's in that lid. Anyway, see if there's anything on this side. Oh, there is. Oh, this is a farm. Check it out. It's on this side too. Alright, I'm gonna get out here. I'm gonna see this. This is a farm out here. Alright, let me get out. 103.